What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video we're going to review IM Checklist Volume 17, Clickbank Marketing. Now this is going to be a perfect opportunity on how to make money on Clickbank in 2019. I'm going to show you everything inside there, the members area, everything you need to see, and I'm going to do this a no-brainer for you, because I'm going to include a massive unique bonus package that you won't find anywhere else. So make sure you watch the whole thing here so you don't miss out on any important information. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, before we get started, actually, a few words about Kevin Fahey. If you don't know anything about him, you can do a quick research on Google, but Kevin's been online for many years, a very successful internet marketer. I'm actually in Kevin's coaching group, so I can vote 110% for whatever Kevin puts out there. Why? Pretty simple, because whatever Kevin teaches, he actually implements it in his own marketing life, in his daily marketing life. So it's just not something that he came up with, let's do a course or a checklist about something, but he uses this himself. So that is the number one reason why you should purchase something from Kevin. But we're going to have a look at a few more reasons actually why you should have a closer look on this particular IM checklist today here for Clickbank Marketing. So let's proceed here a little bit with the sales page first. You probably already know that Clickbank is the largest affiliate network. This is one of the easiest networks to get started with as an affiliate marketer, of course. And with this checklist and my unique bonuses, it's going to be a no-brainer for you, especially if you're a beginner here. But even if you have done some affiliate marketer, it's still going to be a no-brainer for you. Let's proceed a little bit here to have a look at it. You can see that the variety of checklists here are really impressive, to be honest, because it covers everything from creating the Clickbank account, finding upcoming offers. I'm just having a quick overview here because you can have a look at the sales page for yourself. How to sell to different languages on Clickbanks is number 18. We're going to have a look at those inside the members area here, and you get actually the full private label rights. So how can this benefit you? Well, it can in many ways, because if you have a look at it, you can turn them into PowerPoint presentations, you can edit, add some graphics, rebrand them, you can claim full authorship, you can use them to create a video training, add them to your membership site. This is, in my opinion, one of the most important reasons. You can build your email list, okay? You probably know that I'm all about email marketing, and I'm going to explain to you later on how you can take full advantage of this. But you can see that there is tons of variations on how to use the private label rights. Besides that, you should definitely use them for yourself also. So here are some testimonials. John Mullery, a big internet marketer, Reed Florine, and there is some bonuses that you're going to get here. So this is actually the solo ad escape, open rate explosion, dropout entrepreneur, and 11 questions to success. Now I actually can't see right here, this is a preview. You get more bonuses. I'm going to have a look at that later on. So you can see here, really simple. The option one is that you can go and learn on how to make effectively money online yourself, or you can take the shortcut with this checklist and my unique bonuses, of course, to save yourself huge amount of time. So let's dive into a little bit the members area. You can see the FAQ here really quick, what this is all about, why you should get it. This is the next best thing to having me show you how to get the best results online, okay? This checklist comes from over 10 years of online business experience, and you can get hands on them today at a big discount. So let's proceed. This is how it looks in the members area. Now I'm actually a member of the monthly the IM checklist every month here. So that is an option as an upsell, which is, in my opinion, also a no-brainer. You can see here we have social media, 30 checklists, affiliate marketing. These are really massive and very, very impressive content he has put out there. Okay, so let's have a look at the members area here for IM Checklist Volume 17. First off, you get them as a printable PDF download. There is an interactive checklist and mind map and some bonuses here. So you can see it's very organized. It starts, as I said, with creating your Clickbank accounts. I'm going to open just one here so you can have a quick look on how it looks. So this is more or less how the checklists looks, okay? So you can just check them out, yes or no. Very handy, so you don't miss out on anything when you do your Clickbank promotions. And you see, if I proceed here, how to get paid, how to promote Clickbank offers. So 18 checklists in total. You also get a Google spreadsheet here, Excel spreadsheet, the PDFs, the PLR docs, so you can actually change them. There is an interactive mind map. Let's have a look at it here. This is how it looks. So I can just zoom in a little bit, something like this. So you can see here, these are, for example, running a test purchase in Clickbank. You can see here, if you prefer to see it in a mind map, this is also very, very handy, to be honest. So you can have, this is also another bonus package here that Kevin offers, but we can have a look at the bonuses here. So let's open it up. So first off, I actually had a look at this earlier, the lazy affiliate method. This is only, this bonus is alone worth the whole package that you're going to get here. So don't get fooled. The content, I saw it earlier, this webinar. You get this if you purchase today, volume 17. It's 1.5 hour webinar where Kevin, he puts out everything about this lazy affiliate method there. And you also get your 4 free reports there. The Solar Escape, the Dropout Entrepreneur, Open Rate Explosions, which will help you for your open rates regarding email marketing, and 11 Steps to Success. So you can see you get tons of bonuses and information by just purchasing these checklists. Now let's proceed here. This was actually the webinar that I had a look at earlier. Tons of information, as I said. Only this alone would definitely be worth the purchase here. So let's proceed here. What you are going to get as a bonus package from me if you grab IM checklists. Now I'm actually have my own course, which is Daily List Profits, and we can have a look at the sales page here. You can see that this is about how to make $100 plus per day while you build your email list for free. I sell the front-end course for $27, so it's definitely worth it alone here. These are some proof. So if you have a look at it in the members area, you can see that this is updated for 2019. I'm sharing you exactly the strategies that I've been using and still use to this day on how to build my email list for free and even make profit of it. You can see here finding offers to promote with private networks also. I'm cover everything inside here. But on top of that, I'm actually going to give you the pro version. What does that mean for you? This means that this is a complete business in a box. I can guarantee you 110% you don't need anything else than this package together to get started to make money on Clickbank in 2019 and beyond. And it's not only with Clickbank, but you can do this with Amazon, you can do this with private affiliate networks and so on. This is a complete business in a box because it is step-by-step tutorial. I show you anything from purchasing a domain hosting, installing WordPress, some extra settings, creating an account, creating your freebie, PLR, so you get the IM checklist here that you can use on how to create your freebie, how to find products in the different networks like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Clickbank, okay? You have Amazon. So, I mean, this is a no-brainer for you. All you have to do is just follow along here exactly in a step-by-step tutorial. This is how actually to include bonuses, finding a niche, affiliate networks. So I wanted to make this a no-brainer for you. So all you need is the IM checklist and this bonus package here to get started to make money on Clickbank. I mean, if you don't get it with this, I don't know what else will help you. So I actually don't know if it is worth to mention the other bonuses, but I do include the niche authority, the 200 social media marketing tactics, and the viral traffic search. But pay attention, the pro version valued at 97, and 27 for the main training. Only these two alone are actually worth it much more. But you could see earlier what else you are getting here with the IM checklists, okay? And Kevin's training inside, the bonus training, the videos he has, everything inside there is going to be a total no-brainer for you. The price is going to start at $17 and it's going to increase. It's going to be available for 6 days, then the price will go up. So I highly suggest you to grab it as soon as possible. There is a few upsells. You can get the monthly membership site here, and when you sign up for the monthly, you get access to all the previous checklists here. So in my opinion, it is a no-brainer, but it's up to you. And you can have a look at the rest of the upsells for yourself, whatever you think that you're interested in and how serious you are about making money online. Alright, I think I covered everything inside the IM checklists volume 17. A no-brainer in my opinion. This is the perfect opportunity, as I said, on how to get started to make money on Clickbank in 2019 and beyond. You find a link below right here to grab it with my unique bonuses there. So all you have to do is just click it, watch the sales page and grab it. You will also get my unique bonuses there, as I said earlier. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.